Hey guys, may I attempt to do one vlog because a long time I'm not actually not record. No, this is the fit. Super cute. That's why I decided to do a vlog. My hairstyle simply because I never do my hair properly, so kind of look trash, and because of that, I have to improvise. And when I improvise, I'm like, hold on, this is actually cute. So let me do it all summer. That's my plan. Anyways, come with me. Hopefully we can post a short, quick vlog. Come with me to go and pay the Wi-Fi bill, which is not working currently, and also the electricity bill because it's off as well. It's been off a day. I shouldn't be seeing that on here. Never air on here. Anyways, guys. But me forget outfit check. Have some cute outfit though. I know. Thanks. Back again, guys. So if you see me here on TikTok, I'm gonna say getting it look 10 times better. By the way, my lip, this was caused by biting and stripping. It's getting back today. Crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna pull up my hair and basically redo it in a different style because summer is coming up. But I try to hold on until like the ending of July, so we can come out new for July, but that's not gonna work out, so I'm gonna pull it out, do something. Yes, so basically this is the corner, and I'm gonna connect this to this, and yeah, it's super neat, especially the corner, my favorite one. The back of my ear not finished, and I'm going to actually redo the back part of my head. I'm going to replat it, and yeah. Oh, look, got one right here. There we got one more right here. See that? There we got one on top, and we got one there. I should get a stick, and then we got one right there. Okay, and then we got one up in there. So I'm gonna get a stick, and I'm gonna pre-cook every. We got one more right here. And real country girl. Just put that down here. I'm actually African nipping. I try my very best not to. Very best, like. Even fan, I can't say, oh, my fan, I can African American, but I do because my last saltfish. I cooked my last saltfish the other day. On my way to Fort Parks, basically. I have my mascara and you see it? Look kind of rough. Oh gosh. Anyways, hey guys, we're back again with the delivery for the eggs. I'm so investing on a shirt, and then again on my shirt. Never have I ever thought I would have a business running an egg in 2026 at the age of 19. Look, this is a better lighting. ship in my favorite rocket ship. Soar through the sky, little Einstein. Okay guys, so we're gonna deliver 5 more eggs. I kind of forget if we record the other ones them, so this is what we have here. Idiot. So guys, I'm home, as you can see, and I deliver all the eggs. Some of them are like partnership type vibe, where basically we're not collect random until such and such time. So if you know you're watching this and you have a little shop or you want to start a little business, the price is right here. It's very affordable and you can sell it back for like we are more, not that expensive. I'm telling you some. Hey guys, I'm just gonna come back. Don't let this fool you. I literally just see a shape me by, because you know every single time you go, every single time I go to Burger King, they never have the shake. So when they do have the shake, you have to take the shake. I'm gonna open chicken them. I'm gonna go out there for like almost 12 hours. It's collecting time. We are going inside. Ooh. I'm going inside. Rotted. Say hi guys. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Never have I ever expected to have this much chicken. Can't post this. No. Guys, we're going to my bed. Don't look at the mess here. I just did my toes. It's not really an outfit day today, but it's a good one. That's it. Alright. Just literally, I was editing the video and I saw my lips gradually get darker because I've been picking it. I got me a bit. Yeah. And I'm gonna see you running the cars. I really want to know which part I live. You see me I say? So that's why I'm not really have nothing much for them. Because I know my lips not coming up for me. And can't really take the calculations. Oh, okay. Hey man, stop. No? Okay. Hey guys, redid my hair. Today has been a absolute terrible day. Well, terrible evening, but this is me. I know if I look pretty. I hate this stuff. Why does my puff kind of look like lean? I looked in the mirror first. Okay, it's kind of crazy. So many apples on the tree. Someone get dog, there's so many apples on the tree. Gonna do some ackee and sawfish when I get back. Probably I just get like patties or something like that, because I'm like I've been feeling like super dizzy. A dog died here. We burnt it and he stinks. Ugh. What else was I gonna say? I don't remember. Anyways, I'm gonna go deliver this egg to my neighbor. Yes, I have neighbors, guys. There might be a lot of bushes, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 neighbors. It's good to live in a private lane-ish, private-ish. I don't know if someone lives at that house, but... In fact, guys, do you believe when I say I keep forgetting to record when I'm talking to people? I think this thing goes around that you have to like ask people for permission or something like that to record them. So it's like, what? So normally I kind of just like don't record anybody because I don't have any time asking for permission. Who has time for that? When I could just like not record. I actually think I've recorded this dress in a vlog like ever. But here we are. Yep. So guys, they got me a pen. They got me a pen and I don't know, do something. Okay, peace out. Bye. Let's stare at me. People are actually staring at me. Wait till me get my car. Need for hot water so you can let down. Hello! Wait. Come with me on my sewing journey. First of all, thanks to Chavril for funding my mini sewing machine. I'm gonna go get it now. I've done a ton of research, but still I gotta put on data and use internet to look up what I need when I'm actually in the fabric store. So let's go. In life, I've realized that if I actually want something, well, it's for everybody. If I actually want something, then we could get it. Oh my gosh, what is that? What is that? I'm so excited to have anything get me done. This is going to be my sewing book. Actually, if you watch me TikTok, I recognize that book here. So this is the fit, y'all. Don't worry. Don't worry. In the future, different outfits will be pending. I can't believe I'm gonna become on Swiss. This is just great. This is it, guys. Sewing skill, here I come. Like I've made enough clothes for Alex. I want to remember for you. So plug in this and I want to hold it to run it so. Someone play a video working it. I feel it was. So I stop it. Alright, so me tap it up. Scissors. Yeah, cut. Put on an eagle. Put on that. See? Okay. Life is good. Life is great. I'm so sorry if you're one of those people who for life asks right now. My condolences to you. As for now, mine isn't, which is great. Here it is. Wow! If you don't know, I don't think I've recorded, but my DIY that blows you. So definitely it my Avan. Just ignore my background, okay? You don't see nothing. All of this not going there. My first time taking it out of the machine. What is the name? Of the oh shoot, different here. Of the Jesus. Shut up. Anyways. Here it is. Thumbnail. So what I got to know, I watch a bunch of tutorial coming in on nothing but sewing, and I did take clothing. It's already threaded for me, which me think me know to do. But okay, and then it come with these stuff. The lady said come with needle, but it doesn't. So a good thing me buy my one. And the plug and the footer. I think that's what it's called. Here people mention having, I forgot what this is called, but these stitch right here, this one and this one, I want them use to test the machine at the place. And yeah, that's all. I think it come with one little drawer to store the stuff in there, and it's chargeable. You think I'll be an opening tutorial fee, but I don't have time for that. No, that's so. Listen guys, don't pay attention to the background. So I got pings. Yeah, that's cool. Did not get that at pings. This is the fabric we get. It's called knits. And what me I gotta do, I create one fabric book. This a 2 yard, 700. Oh my gosh, it's see-through. You know, see me? That's crazy. Oh my gosh, me never expect if it's a see-through. What? That have nothing to do with me. I make dress though. Anyways, fabric scissors. And imagine for my first, right, like I was saying on my beginner, I'll be doing zip. And as far as my ear, zip is not good. No, I don't have any PDF. I don't have anything. Just like wing it. I couldn't get any fabric clips, and I get this, which is awesome. I actually did want fabric clips because I heard that it was easier. And then seam ripper and chalk and a needle threader, and I think this is 14 whatever. My phone is dead, so you're on my iPad. Here's the fabric on the floor. I don't have a cotton mat. I don't plan to get a cotton mat. So assist me. I missed me pin it. This is the right side. So I have to flip it, but Alex will flip it so I can be a 6 stitch, I think. Penny, where? Come this I do it. This is the skirt. We put elastic in it. And see there. The ends were hem like so. Yes, you can see. And make a redo beside. But the thread, yeah, so it was fully stitched. But some alright, see that? It thread keep on a bus, so it thread on. Anyways, yeah. We have a skirt,